Hey guys, I'm Trui and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about Twitch events. Twitch has this event system where you can let your followers know that there's a special event going on. So it's pretty handy to let people know that you do an event like a charity stream or an anniversary or it's your birthday or something like that. Make an event for that, so people will know. And you're all asking, how do I do that, Trui? So I'm gonna explain you. So first of all, go to Twitch. It doesn't matter which page. Click on the right top on your avatar and then on Creator Dashboard. On the left here, you will see an event tab. Click on that one. You'll see that I have no event set up. To add an event, you can click on this button. And to add a series of events, click on this button. Let's just make one event right now. You can upload an image. This needs to be a JPEG. Sadly enough, no PNGs allowed, and the max is 1 MB. So now I have picked an image. This is the one from my 2-year anniversary that we did on the 23rd of April. What we can do is have an event title, 2 years anniversary. You have your title now and you have to make an event description. For me now it's our 2-year anniversary, doing Pokemon rap, playing Mario Kart, wearing a Pikachu onesie, and giving away a lots of games. So that's the description right now. We have to select the date, 23rd, 8 PM. I don't know if they knew that I want to start 8 PM because I already started at 8 PM. We end at 1 AM the next day, basically. And the event category is going to be Mario Kart. So we're picking the game that we're gonna play. You can also select just chatting if you're doing that beforehand. And if you've done that all, you save this. And it will appear here, 2-year anniversary. This is the little thumbnail it has. You can share it on social media if you want to. You can also just copy the link and that will show up like this, 2-year anniversary stream. And people can click on remind me. They can follow this event if they want to. And you can see that it's starring Trui, that's me. That's it, that's how you make an event. Do you want to know how you can post messages in Discord with your stream deck? I've got a video about that right here, and I will see you guys there.